this is Olivia, and today we will be talking about St. Patrick and what we do here in our Irish school. So St. Patrick was born in Wales and was brought over as a slave to Ireland, but when he escaped he went back to Wales to become a priest, and then he came back to Ireland to tell everyone about God and Jesus.
Our school is an Irish school and it's Seachtain na Gaeilge this week, and we do lots of fun things, and we have a Question Day, which is a question we have in Irish and about St. Patrick.
And we also did a Céilí yesterday, and a Céilí is where we did Irish dancing for most of the day yesterday, so all of the school was taking part, even some of the teachers joined in too, and they were all dancing to some Irish music that we'd learned how to dance to.
We had an art competition this week, and where we do like a picture of like St. Patrick or something like that.
Like old, so sayings, we would draw that on the top of the page, and then we would draw pictures to do with that. And we also had a quiz, which most of the wrongs took part in, except for the seniors and juniors. But we all had very much fun, and we all got prizes at the end. And they were questions in Irish, but we still got them.
For tomorrow is St. Patrick's Day, and I will be going to Galway to the parade with my mum.
And tomorrow I will be going to Ashburn for a small parade, because where Olivia is going, she's doing a big parade. But I will just be seeing a small parade that's in a little town, but there's parades all over the place.
The biggest parade is probably the one in Dublin.
Yeah. So I've never been there, but anyway, I am going to the parade in Ashburn tomorrow, so I'm hoping that it will be a lot of fun, and I hope Olivia will have fun too with her mom.